7 most effective affiliate marketing tips and tricks that will give you the best results. Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Blessings Eve. I'm a digital marketer, and today in this video I want to share with you some of the most effective tips and tricks in affiliate marketing that will give you the best results if strictly followed. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways of generating passive income on the internet in a fast and easy way. It is simply a business model where you get to promote other people's product for a commission. The best part about affiliate marketing is that it requires no shipping, no customer service, or no inventory. All you have to do is choose a product that aligns with your niche and promote it effectively. But it's usually not as simple as it sounds, especially if you're a beginner in the system. You need to understand the tricks and tips for to have a good success in the business. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the tips and tricks for the best results in affiliate marketing. Tip number 1, choose your niche wisely. It is important to choose a niche that you are passionate about or that has a good market demand, as this will help you create content that resonates with your audience and then generate more traffic. So if you choose a niche that does not resonate with you, or that you are not passionate about, you'll be struggling to create content around it. So it is always advised that you choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a good market demand. Because one thing is about choosing a niche that you are passionate about. Another thing is for the niche to have a market demand. If the niche does not have a market demand, nobody would patronize you. So choose a niche that you are passionate about and that also has a good market demand. Number 2 trick, find the right affiliate program. When it comes to affiliate marketing, finding or choosing the right program is very, very crucial to your success as an affiliate. You want to make sure you are associated with a company that has a good reputation and that offers a fair commission rate and payment structure. So you don't have to jump at any affiliate network you see around. So choose your affiliate program wisely, because the type of program you join or you choose determine your success or your progress in affiliate marketing. If you choose an affiliate program that does not have good reputation, nobody would patronize you, because it is likely that they won't have a good product that you can market. Number 2 trick is promote quality products. After joining an affiliate program, next is to start promoting their products. But before promoting any product, you want to ensure that the product provides value to your audience, as this will help build trust and credibility with them. Make sure to carry out a thorough product research before promoting any product at all. So before you promote any product from your chosen affiliate program, do your product research to know if that product is valuable enough for your audience or not. Now, number 4 tip is build your audience. Focus on building a loyal audience by creating valuable content that engage and educate your audience. This will help you establish a strong relationship between you and the audience and also increase your chances of making money. So it is important that you build your audience, whether on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, YouTube, any social network you are comfortable with, that you understand how it works properly. Build your audience around that network. All right. Number 5 tips is promote affiliate links. Promote your affiliate links. After building your audience, what next? The next thing is for you to start promoting your affiliate products to them. Anyway, your audience are either on TikTok, on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, blog posts, or websites, anywhere. Don't forget to promote your affiliate link. This method is one of the effective ways to sell your products organically, because you are not going to spend money on adverts, on paid ads or whatever. This method, you do it organically without spending any money to get traffic. All right. So once you build your audience, the next thing is for you to start promoting your affiliate link. Tips number 6 is monitor and optimize your performance. You have to keep a keen eye on your progress. That is, monitor which link is performing well, deploy different methods to promote your links, and track each of the performance. You have to monitor if you are using a particular method to promote your product and you notice that it's no longer working well for you. You have to change it to something different. Try something else, all right, and then monitor how it is performing to get a better result. The number 7 is engage with your audience. Keep engaging with your audience by giving out valuable and engaging content. From time to time, engage with your audience, give them valuable content they will like to have something that has value. So keep engaging your audience with valuable content, all right? Keep engaging your audience with valuable content that will come back for more, content that will keep them engaging, content that gives them value, all right? Keep engaging your audience. That is the one of the best way to maintain your audience, okay? So I've shared with you the 7 tips and tricks that you need to use for you to be successful in affiliate marketing. Remember, number 1, choose your niche wisely. Number 2, find the right affiliate program. Number 3, promote quality products. Number 4, build your audience. Number 5, promote affiliate links. Number 6, monitor and optimize your performance. Number 7, engage with your audience. And if you apply these tricks effectively, you are going to have a good result in your affiliate marketing journey. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video.